Isname Johnny?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Anyway, you are loving the podcast, by the way. So, I just wanted to check in and everything. And also, we're doing this thing of like recapping of the season, and you were one of the highlights of the season. So, just wanted to say, appreciate you and thank you for being able to come to us. We know it's after episode kwaba khona ke nje inkulumo enkulu like wena kwenzakalani nje empilweni yakho after la episode si-erishile phela it was we can't remember when we sikhuluma nawe inkulumo ezazikhona and
Yeah.
wawungekho right.
Yeah, ngi-right manje.
So right manje.
Ngi-right.
Okay, like they did have any impact kuwena in a negative way ngendlela ukuthi ene wena wawukhulume ngabantu maybe in a certain way mhlawumbe bayithandanga. I was feeling a lot bad when everything was happening because ngangicabangela into as maybe this was all a bad idea nje yabo, but ke if now so sure ukuthi ene I know sikudlulile, it gives me a lot of comfort to I know so right manje and in a good space and everything. So because I remember even the time because ngikhumbula ngifonelwa abantu lana telling me that when you know where to be found hambile ekhaya na yonke lento leyo wawuhambile ngempela ekhaya noma it was just people scaring you.
Abekudlalisa abantu ngaze ngihambe mina ngihlalele nje uzobe manje. Ku-right. Khona umuntu akufanele?
Yeah, I was called. Did you know ngafonelwa uMpumelelo and some lady, and they were like telling me what do I need to do, and went as far as telling me and I'll hear from their lawyers and stuff. Because I even remember you telling me that they want to take you out of my show. Bafuna ukhipha ku-understand but kwagcina kwenzekile noma you still on my show.
Babona ukuthi if bengikhipha ingane zesithembu ushuthi ngelibuka ingane zesithembu ngoba lizobhora.
Kodwa ngempela babezokhipha mase befaka abantu because you main character, you're the main star of the show. So when do you think babefanele vele ukuthi bakwatele ngokunto oyenzile ngokwakho nje wena?
Kungafanele angazi ukuthi babengikwatelelani seriously.
Le ndaba okhuluma ngayo because it sparked a lot of controversy le yaMangwabe ne-role na yonke into. I didn't even take it seriously when we spoke about it, but it's clearly ukhombisile ukuthi abantu bona bayibambe kakhulu le role. Banga khona ukuthi mhlambe maybe imphatha kabi naye uMangwabe le ndaba mase uyikhuluma nje akaze approach azama ukufind out okay maybe lokho kwenzakala kwangafanele kanje
Yazi ukuthi ngitshela mina angikhuluma isikuze kube manje.
Angikhulumisana?
Ngikhuluma.
Yeah. That's unfortunate. Yeah, maybe angazi nawe wawuveza indlela wawungaphathekile ngayo mase ngisho. When uyafisa maybe uthi nihlale phansi maybe nikhulume maybe find a way forward about it.
Kwamanje ngi-right.
Alright wena.
Ngi-right kwamanje.
Umakhumalo nisa right naye or still deadlock as well?
Asikho right.
Anikho right. Na akayithandanga indlela wakhuluma ngayo kule interview.
Yes.
Hayi. No vethi izinye izinto zizozilungela.
NguSnem Seleku ke lowo ethetha nomsasazi we-podcast ebizwa ngoba podcast about nothing apha ku-YouTube. Now uSneke ebeye kule podcast wathetha ke interviewer i-interview yayinhle kakhulu kodwa ke kwabakhona izinto ezi-controversial uSne wazithethayo but ke ezo nto zi-involve uMakhumalo kunye noMangwabe. Wachaza istory soba ngenye imini wathe kwaMangwabe wa-offerishwa i-role ngusisi owayesebenza khona. uMangwabe wafika wayithethela ke loo nto leyo uba uSne etye i-role. Then wachaza ke noba uMangwabe noMakhumalo abamkhathalelanga bangobantu bangumama kuye, abantu abangoomama kuye nguMayeni kunye noMacele. Now kuye kwachazwa ke lo ntuka le presenter ndizasenza istory esipheleleyo soba bazama abantu bakwaMseleku uba ingaphumi episode 2 after bebone episode 1 bekhalazela ke into yoba uSne use i-content phakubo, i-content bekufanele bayinoba ke isetyenziswa kwi-TV show zabo andiyazi kodwa ke baphusha bayifaka le episode ngenkani. Kuyavakala ke ekumameleni apha kule phone call yabo uba uSne waye wabasengxakini kowabo. I-interviewer ke le ndiyayibona iyazama ugrumba more content from uSne, but uSne akathethi kakhulu njengoba nani njengoba nimamele nje nimva ingulo mntu interviewwayo othethayo ikakhulu. Kodwa ke sevuya ke ukuva ba uSne usekhona kwi-reality TV show le yabantwana izingane zesithembu, because kuthiwa ke wathreatenishwa uba uzawukhutshwa kwi-reality TV shows, meaning uzawuphelwa ngumsebenzi ngenxa yale nto ayenzileyo. uSne ke caba uthi yayimstressa kakhulu le nto njengoba sisiva nje ke ngalo mfana wayem-interviewer. Le podcast ke yafumana ii-views ezininzi kakhulu ngala interview kaSne, bathi besandoyifaka yakhawuleza yanyuka. I think it's sitting on 400 and something thousand la first episode, or upart 1 wala interview bayenzayo kaSne, so yawenyusa amanani abo. So inoba ke loo nto leyo ke nangoku baye bathi make sure baqala ngoSne xa besenza ke le nto yothi check up on abantu ebebephaa kulaa podcast. Eyoba ke uSne ayithathele call aphinde athethe, andiyazi noba ke yi-idea erayithi na, ngoba kaloku already sesibona uba ebesengxakini nefemeli yakhe ngoba aye kulaa podcast. Kuthiwa ke xa icacisa lo mfana bathi kuye uba uSne bongafanelekanga uba wenza i-interview ishow isadlala. Uthi ke wacela ke uba hayi akanangxaki uzawuske ayifake laa part 2 after kudlale izingane zesithembu finale, but ke bona ke ngokuba insista uba bafuna uyibukela. Wathi hayi akazokwazi ubanika kodwa ngabanika into echazayo uba bathetha ngantoni. Kwaphele ke kuthethwa ngamagqwetha, kuthiwa ke uMpumelelo nguye wathreatenisha ngamagqwetha. Kwacace ukuba hayi abavumelani ke, baphele ke nabo beyikhupha le episode ngenkani. Shame uSne ke wabasengxakini kowabo ngenxa yaloo nto leyo. Niyava ke nangokwebuzwa uba unjani kunye noMangwabe, ngoba ngoyena mntu awamtshisayo uMangwabe ngoveza ke le nto yoba wathethela irole. Yho, hayi sike silindele uMangwabe akayenzi into pretendana ke yena ke uSne uthi abasathethisani kunye naye, so uqumbile. That's obvious. Now umntu endisurprised ke uba kanti naye uyakwazi uqumba angamthethisi umntu nguMakhumalo. uMakhumalo ngulo wathi naye kaloku uba uMakhumalo akanandaba naye akamkhathalelanga, so uthi uSne ke uMakhumalo naye akamthethisi, like abekho right. I wonder ke bazawusebenzisana njani xa sebeshuta izingane zesithembu, ngoba utsho uba ngoNovemba bazawuqalisa usebenza ngoba basebenza very closely with uMakhumalo kulaa show. Khanike ke nina ke banicinga ntoni ngale interview or follow up interview kaSne kule podcast. Ndizamane ndizenza ke nezinye iziqendu sidiscussa certain things about le call, kodwa ke abantu abaninzi abekho happy ngayo, bathi ngebemyekile uSne. Bye.